In this video, you'll learn how to create a website using Webflow. This guide will take you step by step through the process of setting up your site, selecting a template, and customizing it to fit your needs. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you will see a dashboard displaying your existing projects, if any. If prompted, sign in using your account credentials to gain access to your workspace. After accessing your dashboard, look for the option labeled New Site. This button is typically located prominently on the dashboard, allowing you to initiate the site creation process. Click on New Site to proceed, and you will be directed to a new screen with template options. Next, you will see a section for template selection. Look for the option labeled Template and click on it. This action will open a gallery of templates that you can choose from, designed to cater to various industries and aesthetics. If you do not find an appealing template right away, you may notice a message stating, "Not seeing what you are looking for." This message indicates that you can explore further options. Click on this prompt to expand your choices and view additional templates that might better suit your project. Upon expanding your options, locate the button labeled View More in Marketplace. This button will lead you to a broader selection of templates available for selection. Clicking it will take some time to load, depending on your internet speed. Once the marketplace is loaded, filter your search by selecting the Free Only option. This filter will display only the free templates available for use, which can be particularly useful if you are on a budget. After applying this filter, browse through the available templates. Choose a template that resonates with your vision for the website. Click on the selected template to view its details. A screen will open showing a preview along with additional information about the template's features and design. After reviewing the details, click on Use for Free to add the template to your workspace. This action will prompt Webflow to prepare the template for customization. Be patient, as this may take a moment based on your connection speed. Once the template is ready, you will be directed to a new screen that allows you to finalize the setup. Click on Create Site to officially create your website. Webflow will process your request and you will receive a confirmation message once the site has been created successfully. You can now start customizing the template to fit your needs. This includes modifying text, images, and layouts to align with your brand or personal style. Take your time to explore the customization options available within Webflow's interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.